This video is to show you how to set up token-based authentication within your NetSuite organization, as well as your end user roles. So the first thing you're going to do here is you're going to hover over Setup, go to Company, and then go to Enable Features. So once you go to Enable Features, you're going to see an option that says Suite Cloud. So here under Suite Cloud, you're going to select this tab. And you're going to scroll down until you see token-based authentication. You're going to enable this, go down, click on save if you haven't saved or enabled the token-based authentication yet. And once you have enabled token-based authentication, you can go into the roles to enable the token-based for the particular end user role. So now that we have enabled token-based authentication for your NetSuite organization, we're going to hover over Setup, go down to User/Roles, and we're going to go to Manage Roles. So once you're in the Manage Roles list, you're going to select a custom role that you're going to enable. So I already have a role that I'm going to edit. So I'm going to go to a controller role, go down to Permissions, and go to Setup. And once I'm under the Setup tab, I'm going to go down to a drop-down if I haven't added this yet. But in this case, I already added the User Access Token. So this User Access Token permission is going to be the permission that's required for users to log into any of the CloudExtend applications. So once this is enabled, every single time a user enables or logs into CloudExtend, it will automatically generate a token for that particular user.